Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing well, and then I am I am going to share all of you कि what is the important point for a good speaking in English. In my opinion, it is a very important point in speaking English, spoken English, is pronunciation. Pronunciation is very important. You know, I am also beginner and my pronunciation is not correct. Sometimes my pronunciation is not correct, but daily wise practice, your pronunciation is correct in one day, but consistency in your mind. You have completed daily task. You set in your mind, okay, then I do this daily practice in spoken English, and pronunciation is very important. uh, After that, second point is translate. you know you, you don't know how to translate a sentence correct, then your grammar is weak, then your speaking is not correct, will be not correct in my opinion. Just example, वह राम है, he is Ram, and you don't know how is it is mapped sentence. That's your spoken is definitely wrong. Then second point is also important. You daily wise practices 20 to 50 sentence. First of all you um, uh, take a small sentence, then daily wise slowly you mm, big sentence, okay. And you know you see you see not not sentence coming in mind, also in mind. I also forgot what I speak and talk to you, but I try. You can see I try. I also beginner, then you can do it. You also can do it. one day you also can do it. One day want to daily wise practice, then you can do it. And I believe that you can do it. You also fluent in English, okay. Thank you.